To take an image from Clever One, we begin on the Patient tab. Search for your patient in this search box on the upper left of the screen. To add a new patient to the system, click on the Add Patient button. Once we are in the correct patient chart, click on the Acquisition tab on the left panel to select your image type. The Acquisition interface opens. Click on the three dots and select Others, and it brings you to the Acquisition screen to select your modality. And then choose the appropriate cephalometric option from the Modality section on the main screen. This will open the Acquisition interface. Here, you can select patient settings, including gender options, man, woman, or child, and patient density settings based on the patient's body size. In the image options located at the top right, you will find two settings. Normal, standard image quality. Fast, a low dose, quick scan, 1.9 seconds. Moving down to the Ceph examination area. Select full lateral for a complete lateral cephalometric image of the entire head. The lateral option excludes the posterior portion of the skull. Other cephalometric capture options include PA, post-anterior, SMV, submenovertex, Waters View, Carpus for hand wrist images. For instructional videos related to these capture options, please visit Education Academy. Once selections are made, click Confirm and proceed with patient positioning.
In preparation, have the patient remove all metal objects from the neck up, including necklaces, eyeglasses, earrings, and any other metal objects.
So I'm going to go ahead and start by having our patient come into the device and go ahead and stand up straight and tall for me. The first thing I'm going to do is raise my height up or down with my hand switch, either on the column here, or we may have our hand switch here where we can raise this up or down. What I'm looking to do is get our ear rods into the ear canals. So go ahead and stand up straight and tall and walk forward for me just a little bit. And I need to lower the device down. And I'm going to, with my fingers at the top here, I'm just going to gently push on this, and you can see how these move in very easily. And I'm going to make sure that those are firm in the external auditory canals, or the ear canals. Next, I'm going to take my Nasion bar and I'm going to rotate it down. You'll notice on the side I've got my pinch points here. I can move this up or down, and I want to move this forward. We are looking to have the patient in a natural head position, so what I want to do is have my patient just gently tip your head down, smile for me, and I'll go ahead and open the smile, and I'm looking at her occlusion. Okay, you can go ahead and relax. And I'm going to move this down, and we're going to go ahead and put this just like so. You can see that our patient is standing up straight, arms to their side. When we're ready to capture, I'm going to go ahead and have you gently close on your back teeth. I'm going to go ahead and step out of the room, and we're going to go ahead and take our image.
Now return to our acquisition computer and select Ready on the screen, and we can take our image.
Hold the button on the acquisition trigger switch, which will turn yellow when exposing. Hold the button until the image acquisition is fully complete.
With our image capture complete, I'm going to go ahead and release our patient from the device by moving our ear rods out of the way, our temple support, or our support forward, rotating this up. You can go ahead and take a step back, and that was our lateral Ceph patient positioning.